Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore how to get voice chat on Roblox in 2025 without ID. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll walk you through this step by step. Take your time, and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox website. Take a moment to log in with your username and password. If you're using the Roblox app instead, open the app and log in as well. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Click on it. This will bring up a menu. From that menu, choose Settings. If you're on the app, tap More in the side menu. Take your time to scroll through the options and then tap Settings when you find it. Now, we're going to adjust a setting called Content Maturity. In the Settings menu, find the section called Privacy or Privacy and Content Maturity. Once you're there, look for an option called Content Maturity. You'll see a slider, move it to Moderate. Don't worry, this change will save automatically. Next, we need to make sure your email is verified. In the same settings menu, look for the email address field. If it says not verified, don't panic. Roblox will send you an email with simple instructions. Go to your inbox, open the email, and follow the steps provided to verify your email address. Take your time. It's an important step. After verifying your email, let's add and verify your phone number. Back in the settings, find the phone number section. There should be an option to add phone. Click on that. Now you'll need to select your country code. For example, if you're in the US, choose +1. Take a moment to check that your country code is correct before continuing. Next, type in your phone number carefully and press Continue. Roblox will send a code to your phone. Check your messages, and when you see the code, come back to Roblox. Enter the code into the box and click Verify. Once it's done, you'll see an option asking if you want friends to find you using your phone number. If you prefer not to, simply select No. Then click Done to finish up. Now it's time to enable voice chat. Head back to the Privacy and Content Maturity section in your settings. Look for the Communication option and click on it. Scroll down until you see Voice Chat. There should be a toggle to enable microphone. Click it to turn it on. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. Refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Sometimes it takes a moment to appear. Finally, let's check your audio settings. Open Roblox again and click the Roblox icon at the top of the screen. From the menu, go to Settings. Scroll down slowly until you find the Input Device option. Use the arrows to select your microphone. After that, find the Output Device option. Choose the headset or speakers you want to use for chat and game audio. Once you've selected both, you're all set. Before you start chatting, look at the microphone icon in the top corner of Roblox. If there's a slash through it, it means your microphone is muted. Click it to unmute. If voice chat still isn't working, we'll check that your email and phone number are verified and your account is set to start 13+. Voice chat is currently available in countries like the US, Canada, UK, and Australia, so make sure your country supports it. And that's it. You now have voice chat on Roblox without using an ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. 一鸣是